Nature has always been the best healer. Natural products obtained from the plants have been great choice among the people for leading a healthy lifestyle. Turmeric is one such plant. Turmeric is inexpensive, pleasantly flavored spice that adds taste, color and lots of health benefit to our food. A 100 gram of turmeric contains 18% of calories, 16% of protein, 22% of carbs, 16% of fat, 3% of vitamin C, 16% of vitamin E, 6% of vitamin B6, 16% of iron, 3% of magnesium, 2% of phosphorus, 5% of potassium and 2% of zinc. Among the most important properties, turmeric contains curcumin, which is known to have many health benefits and has been used as a medical aid and an ingredient in dietary supplements, cosmetics and food additives for centuries in Asian countries. Let's have a look at the health benefits of this amazing turmeric. Turmeric prevents Alzheimer's disease by increasing the level of BDNF cells and also helps in proper communication between the nerve cells. Turmeric helps in weight loss by suppressing the growth of the fat tissue. To ease your journey of weight loss, include turmeric tea in your diet. Turmeric may help to fight viral infection such as herpes and flu. Turmeric helps in the treatment of arthritis by decreasing the swelling and joint problem to large extent. Turmeric is used to fight against inflammation if it is taken in a proper dose. It can prevent many diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Turmeric cures headache. Turmeric comes from the same family as ginger. As we all know, ginger is quite effective in treating the headache. Turmeric also works in the same manner. If you have migraine symptoms, it is always good to include turmeric in your diet. Turmeric has been used for our skin since ages. It has great antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property. It also has anti-aging property. Turmeric helps in prevention of diabetes. According to several research studies, it has been found that turmeric may help in preventing diabetes due to the anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property. Turmeric supports our liver health. Turmeric and its extract are extensively used to treat the liver disease because of the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. It can stop liver from being harmed by toxins. Turmeric can also help in healthy digestion. Several components in the turmeric may support our mental health. Some studies have also found that turmeric can lower the bad cholesterol in our body. According to the research, 500 to 2000 mg of turmeric per day is generally acceptable. Few report also says 1.5 mg per kg body weight is acceptable. I hope this information will help us to have an healthy lifestyle. Do let me know which healthy content you want in the upcoming videos as well. Let's eat healthy and stay healthy. Thank you.